So my friends, it's finally completed. Nothing, absolutely nothing beat privacy. And so, finally get the fence up. This is the exterior. And let's take a walk inside. Now I can sit in my backyard and have a red stripe if I want to, without the piercing eyes of my neighbors. Not that I mind. I love people, but I also love my privacy. And so, the job is completed. And I suspect my neighbors, actually the neighbor that I'm pointing to directly right now, they're getting theirs done sometime in the next week or so. And I'm sure the neighbor to my left, facing the house from the entry, will probably do the same thing. But the work is complete, and I could not be more pleased. Now, coffee in the morning. Although sometimes I sit up front because that's where the sun rises, and there's nothing beat sunrise. So, this is a very short video, but it'll give an idea. The deed is done. And now the planting begins. So I mentioned neighbor to my right, they have a very nice dog, which is always in the lead. So I'm sure the dog is really going to appreciate being able to run around in the back. And as you can tell, the lot size is quite nice. I can do a lot of planting. This is access from the other side. What I did here, make sure that there's gate on both sides. Some people it goes a cheap way, gate on one side, and if you're mowing your lawn, realize, oh shoot, I gotta walk all the way back around, especially this lot size. The only time I have a lot size like this was when I was in Texas and New Jersey. Nowhere else. So my friends, that's the fence. It's not completed. Very short video. But this special request from one of my subscribers, I have to do this video. So thank you for watching.